Your car is hiding secrets, and not the kind that require a mechanic to decode. We're talking about features built right into your dashboard, keys, mirrors, and tires that most drivers never discover. One of them could literally save you thousands in repairs. So buckle up. Here are 17 hidden car features that'll make you look like a genius behind the wheel. Secret number 1. The air quality shield. Stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic with a diesel truck puffing fumes in front of you. That little button on your dash with a circular arrow isn't just decoration. It's your built-in air shield. Hit the recirculation button, and your car stops pulling outside air. Instead, it refreshes and cools the cleaner air already inside. Not only does it protect your lungs from pollutants and bad smells, but it also makes your AC work faster and last longer. You're saving your health, your comfort, and your money, all with one press. Bonus, this also means your cabin air filter won't get clogged as quickly, extending its lifespan and saving you on maintenance costs. Secret number 2. Boosting your key fob with your brain. You're wandering the parking lot, clicking your key fob like a lost tourist. Here's the trick. Hold the fob against your head. Seriously. The water in your brain acts as a conductor, boosting the fob signal. It can double the range. Plus, most key fobs hide a mechanical key inside. Flip the latch, and you've got instant access if the battery dies. It's like a backup plan inside your backup plan. And here's the kicker. Many cars allow key fob programming for remote start or window control. Features the dealership never tells you about. Secret number 3. Color-coded engine clues. Lift your hood and look for color-coded caps. Yellow, blue, red. These mark areas you can safely top off. Oil, coolant, washer fluid. Gray or black parts? Leave those to the pros. Knowing this simple color code can save you hundreds in basic service charges and protect your engine from DIY disasters. It's also a smart way to avoid mixing fluids. Putting oil in your transmission system or coolant in your brake reservoir is a fast track to expensive repairs. Secret number 4. The gas cap hook. See that little hook or flap inside your fuel door? It's not for show, it's for your gas cap. Hang the cap there instead of letting it dangle, fall, or rest on your car's paint. It prevents scratches, dirt in the fuel system, and future injector or pump failures. It's 2 seconds of effort that can save you a $3,000 repair. And yes, it's also how to avoid that all-too-common embarrassment of driving off with your gas cap sitting on your roof. Secret number 5. The emergency gear override. Your battery dies. Your automatic won't shift to neutral. Panic time? Not if you know this. Pop off the tiny plastic cover near your gear shifter and press the hidden button underneath. It's called the shift lock override. It lets you move the car without battery power and out of danger. Learn its location before you're stranded. It's especially helpful if you ever need to push your car out of traffic or get towed properly without damaging the transmission. Secret number 6. The snowflake that could save your life. That little snowflake icon on your dashboard isn't decoration. It's a warning. It alerts you when the outside temperature dips into dangerous territory where ice may form. Newer cars even use this data to warn other vehicles around you. Think of it as a crowdsourced safety net. Some models even include predictive text alerts tied to weather forecasts or let you see road condition ratings directly through your infotainment system. Secret number 7. That tab on your rearview mirror. Blinded by high beams behind you? Flip the small tab under your rearview mirror. It tilts the glass slightly, deflecting glare upward while still showing what's behind. Newer cars take it further with auto-dimming tech, using special gels and sensors. Your mirror's smarter than you think. In luxury vehicles, auto-dimming extends to side mirrors too, reducing nighttime eye strain and making driving less stressful after dark. Secret number 8. Hidden storage compartments. From secret coolers to floorboard vaults, car makers like Jeep, Toyota, and Infiniti have tucked away storage spaces all over their vehicles. Some are so discreet, owners find them years later, sometimes with items left by previous drivers. Go exploring. Your car might be hiding more than just cup holders. Look under rear seats, inside armrests, or even under the cargo floor, especially in SUVs and trunks. You might find a toolkit, emergency triangle, or a place to hide valuables. Secret number 9. Remote window drop. In sweltering heat, press and hold the unlock button on your fob. In many modern cars, the windows will roll down, cooling the cabin before you even touch the handle. Some models even let you do this with a manual key by turning and holding in the door lock. It's heat relief and a cool party trick in one. On certain cars, holding the lock button again rolls the windows back up. Perfect if you change your mind. Secret number 10. Eyes in the back of your head. Some minivans and SUVs hide a convex mirror inside the overhead sunglass holder. Flip it down, and you've got a panoramic view of the back seat. It's made for parents, but useful for anyone, keeping tabs on passengers, pets, or potential chaos without turning around. It's especially helpful during road trips, keeping eyes on kids or pets without pulling over or swerving to check. Secret number 11. Fuel gauge arrows. Ever pulled up to a pump and realized the fuel door's on the wrong side? Glance at your fuel gauge. That little arrow next to the gas pump icon points to the side your tank's on. It's simple, clever, and saves you from awkward U-turns at the station. A lifesaver when driving rentals, borrowing a friend's car, or even switching between your own vehicles. Secret number 12. Easy fill tire honk. Some Nissans, Jeeps, and GM vehicles make inflating tires dummy-proof. As you pump air, the car flashes lights to show it's reading pressure. When the PSI is perfect, the horn honks. Go too far, and it flashes again. No gauges needed, just listen. Combine this with regular tire checks, and you'll increase mileage, ride comfort, and safety. Secret number 13. Hidden remote start. Your key fob might have remote start, even if there's no clear button. On many cars, you can press lock twice, then hold it a third time to fire up the engine. It's great in freezing or scorching temperatures and can wow your friends from across a parking lot. You'll appreciate this feature more when preheating the cabin before work or defrosting your windshield without stepping outside. Secret number 14. Your car wants you to take a break. See a coffee cup icon on your dash? That's your drowsiness detection system telling you to rest. It tracks your driving patterns or even your eyes and warns you before fatigue turns dangerous. Some systems even use facial recognition to spot tiredness before you do. Studies show drowsy driving causes nearly 100,000 crashes per year. This alert could save your life. Secret number 15. Resetting your tire sensors. After filling your tires, that TPMS warning light might still glow. Here's the fix. Most cars have a tiny button near the glove box or under the dash. Press and hold until the light blinks. It resets the system without a trip to the mechanic. It's a simple DIY move that shows you know your way around your ride. Secret number 16. Wiper sensitivity settings. Ever feel like your automatic wipers go wild in light drizzle? Many cars let you fine-tune their sensitivity. Look for a dial near the stalk or adjust it in the touchscreen settings. It saves your wipers and your sanity. A properly calibrated system also reduces motor wear and keeps the windshield streak-free. Secret number 17. Night vision tech. Luxury cars like the BMW X5 or Mercedes S-Class have night vision. Yep, just like the military. These systems use infrared to detect animals, people, or obstacles far beyond your headlights. It's like seeing in the dark, and it's slowly making its way into affordable models. Some systems display thermal imagery directly on your dashboard, acting as a second set of eyes when visibility is poor. You don't need a mechanic's degree or a tech manual to unlock these car secrets. From hidden keys to built-in warning systems, your vehicle is smarter than you think. Knowing these tricks doesn't just save you time and money, it gives you a serious edge every time you drive. If you learn something new, drop a comment and hit that subscribe button for more car hacks that make you the smartest driver on the road.